Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, or to the sight of snow-capped mountains stretching out as far as the eye can see. Welcome to the 10 most beautiful destinations in Europe. From the sun-kissed beaches of the Mediterranean to the majestic northern lights in Scandinavia, Europe offers a rich tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. We're about to take you on a whirlwind tour, counting down the top 10 destinations that are guaranteed to take your breath away. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, why not turn on those notifications too? That way, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming travel content. So buckle up as we embark on this breathtaking journey through Europe's finest. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have Portugal, a country known for its rich history, stunning coastline, and delectable cuisine. Portugal, a treasure trove of experiences, is home to vibrant cities like Lisbon and Porto. Lisbon, the capital, boasts Gothic cathedrals, majestic monasteries, and quaint museums. Porto, on the other hand, is famous for its stately bridges and the production of fine port wine. But Portugal is more than just its cities. The Algarve region, with its breathtaking cliffs, golden beaches, scalloped bays, and sandy islands, is a testament to Portugal's alluring coastal beauty. Beyond the natural splendors, Portugal's unique culture and traditions are deeply rooted in its history, reflected in its music, dance, art, and, of course, its mouth-watering cuisine. From the melancholic fado music that tells tales of love and loss to the rich taste of pastel de nata, Portugal is a sensory delight. So, if you're after a destination that marries history and natural beauty, Portugal should be on your list. At number 9, we land in Greece, a country steeped in mythology and adorned with ancient ruins and beautiful islands. This land of gods and heroes invites us to traverse its time-worn paths, where whispers of epic tales echo through the ages. Let's start our journey in Athens, a city where modern life intertwines seamlessly with ancient history. Here, the majestic Parthenon stands like a beacon, reminding us of the city's glorious past. Next, we sail to the enchanting island of Santorini, with its iconic blue dome churches and breathtaking sunsets painting the sky in hues of gold and purple. The island's unique volcanic landscape and whitewashed houses cascading down the cliffs make it a sight to behold. Finally, we hop over to Mykonos, a vibrant island known for its lively nightlife. As the sun dips below the horizon, the island transforms into a pulsating hub of energy and excitement. Greece, a destination where ancient history meets modern vibrancy. As we continue our journey, we find ourselves in a variety of landscapes, from the romantic vineyards of Italy to the fairy tale castles of Germany. Our first stop in this segment is the boot-shaped peninsula of Italy, a country where history, culture, and gastronomy intertwine. Imagine yourself meandering through the charming streets of Rome, soaking in the rich heritage, or sipping on world-class wines while overlooking the lush vineyards of Tuscany. Italy is a feast for the senses, where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Next, we cross the border into France, a destination synonymous with sophistication and romance. From the iconic Eiffel Tower in the heart of Paris to the serene lavender fields of Provence, France offers diverse landscapes that captivate and inspire. Whether you're indulging in a bouterie croissant at a sidewalk cafe or exploring the impressive chateaux of the Loire Valley, France is a destination that never fails to enchant. Our journey then takes us to Germany, a country where tradition and modernity coexist. Imagine exploring the enchanting Black Forest, its dense woodlands offering a stark contrast to the urban sophistication of cities like Berlin or Munich. Germany is also home to countless fairy tale castles, each one more breathtaking than the last, perched atop hills and nestled within verdant forests. Finally, we head south to Spain, a country pulsating with life and vibrancy. Picture yourself strolling down the bustling streets of Barcelona, captivated by the unique architecture, or experiencing the infectious energy of flamenco in the heart of Seville. From the sun-soaked beaches of Costa del Sol to the rugged peaks of the Pyrenees, Spain offers a myriad of experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. These destinations, each with their own charm, offer a diverse range of experiences, ensuring there's something for every kind of traveler. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an adventure seeker, or a lover of art and culture, Europe's beauty and diversity are sure to leave you spellbound. We're now approaching the top of our list, and the destinations only get more enchanting from here. Let's start with the fourth spot, the land of the midnight sun, Norway. This Scandinavian gem is not just about its famous fjords and northern lights, it's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts with opportunities for hiking, skiing, and even dog sledding. Imagine being surrounded by towering mountains, deep coastal fjords, and scattered archipelagos. Norway is a place where nature takes center stage, and it's hard not to be captivated by its breathtaking landscapes. Moving on to the third place, we land in Austria, a country that's like a living museum. Austria is home to architectural marvels that whisper tales of its imperial past. From the majestic Schönbrunn Palace in Vienna to the fairy tale-like Hohensalzburg Castle in Salzburg, every corner of Austria is steeped in history and grandeur. But Austria is more than just its buildings. The country is also known for its stunning alpine scenery, charming villages, and of course, its world-renowned music and arts scene. Just a short hop across the North Sea, we reach our second destination, England. Now, England needs no introduction. It's a land where history, tradition, and modernity come together. From the iconic landmarks of London, like the Tower of London and the British Museum, to the picturesque countryside dotted with quaint cottages and ancient castles, England offers a diverse range of experiences. And let's not forget its rich cultural fabric, the birthplace of Shakespeare, the Beatles, and Harry Potter. England has so much to offer. It's no wonder it's one of the most visited countries in the world. These countries, while distinct in their offerings, all promise unforgettable travel experiences. Each holds its own charm and allure, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, historic landmarks, and rich cultures. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or a culture vulture, these destinations are sure to leave you spellbound. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore these incredible European destinations. And finally, at the number one spot, we have Switzerland, a country that epitomizes natural beauty. Imagine a landscape so surreal it feels like a painting, where towering snow-capped peaks touch the sky and emerald lakes mirror the heavens. This is Switzerland, a destination that takes your breath away at every turn. It's not just about the Swiss Alps, a mountain range that has captured hearts and inspired countless poets and artists. There's a tranquility and serenity to these landscapes that speak to the soul, a harmony of nature that is both humbling and awe-inspiring. But Switzerland isn't just about the great outdoors. Picture the charm of its picturesque towns, where time seems to have stood still. Think cobbled streets, colorful houses, and the sweet aroma of fresh-baked bread wafting from local bakeries. These towns are a blend of tradition and modernity, where you can sip on a cup of Swiss hot chocolate in a centuries-old cafe or enjoy a gourmet meal in a contemporary restaurant. And then there are the vibrant cities, pulsating with life and energy. Whether it's the cosmopolitan allure of Zurich, the cultural richness of Geneva, or the medieval charm of Bern, each city has a unique character and charm that leaves an indelible mark on every visitor. They offer a kaleidoscope of experiences, from world-class museums and art galleries to bustling markets and vibrant nightlife. Switzerland is also a land of traditions and festivals, where ancient customs are celebrated with as much fervor as the latest music and film festivals. It's a country where you can witness cow parades in the Alps, watch traditional wrestling matches, or dance to the beats at the street parade in Zurich. But the real magic of Switzerland lies in its changing seasons. Spring brings a burst of colors with flowers blooming across the country. Summer is perfect for hiking and enjoying the stunning alpine vistas. Autumn transforms the landscape into a riot of colors, while winter turns it into a snow-covered wonderland, perfect for skiing and snowboarding. Switzerland, where every season brings a different kind of magic, rightly deserves the top spot on our list. And there you have it, the 10 most beautiful destinations in Europe that promise to leave you spellbound. Let's take a quick journey back through the awe-inspiring landscapes we've covered. Portugal with its sun-soaked beaches, Greece and its ancient ruins, and then the 4 hidden gems, each with its own unique allure. Finally, we climbed the majestic peaks of Switzerland, a place that truly is a slice of heaven on earth. Each of these destinations holds a story waiting to be discovered, a memory waiting to be created. Perhaps one of these places has sparked a flame of curiosity in you. Or maybe you think we've missed a spot that deserves to be on this list. If so, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So pack your bags and start exploring. Until next time, safe travels.